Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hizaya YouTube channel. Today I've got a really exciting product release to share with you, and that is HBuds Easy. These are super slim true wireless earbuds with a very sleek cradle. And not just that, they feature a magnetic earbud dock attachment which allow you to remove the earbuds and place them in your ears with one hand.
Let's have a look at the packaging. On the front here, you've got the 4 icons to show you the key selling features. So number one, you've got super slim, pocket-friendly design. These are very sleek, very slim charging case. You can slide these into any jeans pocket. And then you've got HD audio quality. So full range drivers, AAC codec, giving you really good sound. And then in terms of battery life, you've got up to 20 hours of music talk time. That's when used with the cradle. You've got the smart touch controls. You can control play, pause, track skip, volume control, and then of course call handling, answering, ending, rejecting calls, etc., all with the touch of a button. One thing I want to highlight on the front of this packaging is that you've got the IF International Design Award for 2022. But here, I just want to highlight this image. So you've got this magnetic earbud dock for quick and easy removal. So you can see the earbuds just slide out of the cradle like so. I'm just going to show you the unique selling point for the HBuds Easy, and that is the single-handed operation. You can easily put the earbuds in your ear using one hand, and I'll show you how to do that now. The first thing you do is you hold the cradle like this. You put your thumb on the earbuds at the base of the stem, and then you just push it into your ear like that. If we look at the back side, you've got 24 months of warranty, which is double versus many other brands in the market. And then you've got the specifications on the back. It is version 5.1 Bluetooth chipset that supports AAC audio codec, which is important because that gives you uncompressed audio and much better sound quality. Then you've got a MEMS microphone, which is a really good quality microphone for hands-free calls. And then in terms of the waterproof rating, it's IPX4, so that's sweat and splash proof. So this is good for use in the gym as well as everyday use. Okay, so to show you what's inside the box. So I'll show you all the accessories first. So you've got a user manual here in English and Arabic. It's very comprehensive, plenty of diagrams and instructions for all the key features and functions, care and maintenance tips, etc. And then you have the exact same thing in Arabic as well. Just to show you the buds. So you've got obviously the charging cradle. It's super sleek. And as I mentioned about this iridescent backplate, which as you can see as I'm turning it and it's catching the light, you're getting different colors of the rainbow. It's really nice. The actual housing itself on the front, the buds are a nice kind of pearl color contrasted with white. They look really nice, and this is the magnetic earbud dock. So it's really easy to remove just with one hand, and then obviously as it gets closer it magnetically attaches to charge again. And that's same on the other side as well. Charging port is located on the rear here, Type-C, and that's about it. And then last but not least, you've got the USB charging cable inside here. I'll just show you the black version as well, since you've already seen the white. As you can see, the main difference between the white and the black, apart from the color, is that on the black version you've got this really nice electroplated accent here, and also on the actual buds. So on the tip of the buds you have this electroplated point here, and then you've also got electroplating on the inside of the buds housing. Looks really premium, and it's a nice contrast with the black housing. So looks really nice. You can see as soon as the buds are docked, you see the charging indicator on the buds and also on the cradle as well to indicate it's charging. And then on the back side, the black version's like a highly polished gloss black finish with a silver Hizaya logo. It looks very sleek. Thank you for watching this unboxing video of HBuds Easy. They're available online, so go and check them out. They're also available in selected retail stores across the UAE. So if you're looking for a really nice pocket-friendly, easy to use, super sleek set of true wireless earbuds, then HBuds Easy is for you. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product updates.